Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Linear for AI bug triage automations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Linear for AI bug triage automations, start by visiting the Linear website. Create an account if you don't have one yet. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the API settings from your account dashboard. In the API section, locate the Create API Key option. Click on this option to generate a new API key. Make sure to give your key an appropriate name for future reference. After generating the key, copy it to your clipboard. Next, open your preferred development environment. Install the Linear API Client library if you haven't done so. This can typically be done using a package manager like npm or pip, depending on your programming language. Once the package is installed, start a new script or application. In your script, import the Linear API Client. Initialize the client with your API key. Ensure you store the API key securely in your environment variables. This practice enhances security by preventing exposure in your code. Now, create a function to authenticate the client. Within this function, include error handling to catch issues during authentication. Once set up, use the authentication function to establish a session with Linear. Next, test the connection by performing a simple API request. For instance, request a list of issues from your Linear workspace. If the request is successful, your authentication is working correctly. In case of errors, double-check your API key and permissions in the Linear dashboard. Upon successful authentication, you can now integrate AI solutions for bug triage. Utilize the authenticated client to automate bug reporting and prioritization. Finally, document your setup and any configurations for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.